This adventurous food lover sets out on a hilarious quest to explore the world of funny food, starting with an eye-catching rainbow burger that looks too good to be. With friends by their side, they share funny moments of laughter as they try bizarre culinary creations, making every bite an unforgettable experience. The journey continues with the whimsical pink donut burger, a deliciously absurd treat that challenges them to take the biggest bite possible while maintaining a straight face. At a lively food festival, the atmosphere is filled with laughter as attendees embrace their silly outfits, celebrating the